Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have used an oversized men's t-shirt to make two no-sew tops. This means anyone can make them. So let's get into it. For the first top, I marked how long I wanted it to be, marked this measurement at several points, joined them with a straight line and cut along this line. Save the bottom bit you've cut off as you'll be using this to make the second top. Turn the first piece inside out and lay it out flat, putting a piece of card or similar between the layers to stop them from sticking together, as we're using fabric glue, which I bought for about £3 from my local craft store. I spread the glue evenly along the bottom edge and folded this over about ½ inch to make a hem, making sure you have an even measurement. I did this in sections so I could take my time and do this carefully. Work your way all the way around the bottom of the shirt until you get back to where you started. This is your first top completed. On to the second top. As the top was too big for me, I took a couple of inches off both sides for a better fit. I marked this at several points, joined them with a straight line and cut them off. Keep these offcuts as we'll need them for the straps. I place these pieces right sides together and put them onto my card. I measured ½ inch in from the edge and glued all the way down. I carefully matched up the two pieces of fabric, pressing down on the glued edge. Repeat this on the other side to make your new side seams. For the top of the shirt, I measured ½ inch all the way around, spread my glue evenly and folded this over to make a hem, making sure to press firmly as you go. While that was drying, I made the straps. I decided to make tie-up straps for a different look. Taking the sides I cut off earlier, I cut the material into 4 pieces by removing the original seams and hem. Glue all the way along one edge and fold the material over onto the glue. Repeat this for all 4 straps. I then folded and glued one end of each strap to make it look neater. I glued one of the back straps on first, then one of the front straps directly level with the back one. I then measured how far in these were from the edge and repeated the process for the other 2 straps, making sure the measurement was the same. Tie your straps together and your top is now complete. This no-sew method is really easy and perfect for someone who is a nervous sewer but still wants to refresh their wardrobe with new looks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.